Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're diving into the world of compact and efficient cleaning with the best mini washing machine. If you're looking for a powerful yet portable laundry solution, you're in the right place. Stay with us as we break down the features, pros, cons, and final thoughts on the GU mini washing machine. Let's get started. Product features. Effective stain elimination. The ZU Mini washing machine employs ultrasonic technology to tackle dirt and stains effectively. It's perfect for cleaning smaller items like socks and t-shirts but can also handle larger garments such as pants. This makes it an excellent choice for everyday home use. Reliable build and material. Made from PP and TPR materials, this mini washing machine is both durable and safe. Its high-frequency ultrasonic cavitation ensures effective cleaning while the low-noise design keeps your space peaceful. The turbine rotation both forward and reverse enhances the washing process for a thorough clean. Energy-saving USB charging. Forget high energy bills. This washer uses a USB-powered system, making it not only energy efficient but also versatile. Simply plug it into a power bank or standard outlet for hassle-free operation. Wide application and portability. The compact size of this washer allows it to fit into any mini bucket, wash basin, or sink. Its portability makes it ideal for travel, business trips, or camping, so you can keep your clothes fresh wherever you go. Pros. Efficient cleaning. Ultrasonic technology ensures even tough stains are removed effectively. Compact and portable. Easy to carry, making it perfect for travel or small living spaces. Energy efficient. The USB-powered system is eco-friendly and cost-effective. Versatile usage. Works in various containers like buckets and basins. Quiet operation. Low noise design for a disturbance-free experience. Durable materials. Made with high-quality PP and TPR materials for long-lasting use. Cons. Limited capacity. With a washing capacity of 4 kg, it's best suited for smaller loads. No automatic drying. While it offers spinning, it doesn't fully dry clothes. USB dependency. Requires a power source, which might be inconvenient in remote locations without electricity. Not ideal for heavy fabrics. While it can handle pants, thicker items like blankets may not be cleaned as effectively. Final thoughts. The ZU Mini washing machine is a compact powerhouse designed for modern, space-conscious living. Its ultrasonic cleaning technology and versatile application make it an excellent choice for small apartments, dorms, and on-the-go lifestyles. The energy-saving USB system and quiet operation add extra convenience, while its lightweight and portable design make it travel-friendly. While it's not designed for heavy-duty loads, its efficiency for smaller items and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. So, what do you think about the GU Mini washing machine? If you're interested, check out the price link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more tech reviews and product guides. See you in the next video.